This is going to be a slightly different video from Techquipment because today we are celebrating reaching 1,500 subscribers on our YouTube channel. So to celebrate that, we decided to do some destructive testing of some electrical components. Now, I should say that we are doing this with trained professionals in a controlled environment. Today we're going to blow up 2 polarized capacitors. We're going to start with a little one and get a little bit bigger. So what is your prediction? What is going to happen, Ryan?
So hopefully we'll see a bit of a pop coming out here and maybe even some smoke if we're lucky as well.
A pop and some smoke. Sweet. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, it's drawing current. There she goes.
Woo!
It's almost more tense than it was in real life.
Well, this is obviously slow-mo, so it's...
Yeah, you had to wait even longer. Oh, there it goes. That was pretty quick.
Yeah, venting. Well, how much does it slow down? That's quite cool.
It's about a third of real time.
Oh. So they have like 2 sheets, and then they have like a dielectric in between, and then they roll them up into and then that is the dielectric, not as it's supposed to.
The experience.
Not surviving the reverse polarity.
That's pretty actually right now.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, an extra little side jet.
Hey, there you go. It's like a volcano or something, isn't it?
Well, that was pretty successful. Was that what you were expecting?
Yeah.
There was a bit of a pop. There wasn't much of a pop. More smoke. Lots of smoke. Okay, so we're going to follow that up with one that is slightly bigger, and this is our last one. So I'm gonna say I think it's gonna do exactly the same thing. You reckon?
I'm looking for a bit of a ladder pop this time.
Ladder pop. All right.
Yeah, we'll see.
Let's do it. Wait for it. Yeah, here it goes. Oh, there's a bit more drama there. Yeah. Yeah, here it. Oh, it's really going now. That looks stunning.
Come on. Any minute now.
Oh! It's like spitting.
Oh wow, forcing its way out, isn't it?
Way messier.
I don't remember any of this in real time at
No,
all.
did not
Wow.
see this.
And then it just started
I remember it stopping
blooming,
and
didn't
starting
it?
again.
Yeah.
But I didn't see any of the rest of it.
That's some pressure, that is, isn't it? Considering, like I say again, it's...
Yeah, you probably wouldn't want your hand in front of it.
No, it's still spitting as well down there.
Yeah. I guess that is the point of the pressure release.
Yeah. Allowed
It's
to come
meant
out.
to do it in a sort of controlled-ish manner.
Looks like a steam train, or like a really...
Where they have the regulator valve on the top there.
or a cartoon kettle or something.
Yeah.
Wow,
See,
look at that. That's great.
that's good.
That's really cool, actually. I like that.
Okay, well, thank you so much for helping us reach our milestone of 1,500 subscribers. If you want to see more of our more regular content, you can have a look at the links in the video description. By the way, we also read every comment we receive, both here on YouTube and on Facebook and Twitter. So if you want to contact us, you can drop us a message. Thank you for watching.